is on writing decimal numbers as fractions. And this is just the first part, okay? And then we're going to be talking about reading and writing decimal numbers. So basically, you're learning about decimal numbers today, okay? So, what I need you to understand is, somebody tell me, what is this place to the right of the decimal called?
Tenths.
Tenths. Make sure that you're doing the THS's, okay?
Wait, I thought we
We did. I'm just reviewing real quick.
Oh, okay.
Okay, what is this one called?
Hundredths.
Hundredths. Very good. Okay. Okay, what's this one called? Scream it out.
Thousands.
Very good.
10,000.
10,000s.
100,000.
100,000s.
Millions.
Millions.
10,000. 10 million.
10 millions.
100 millions.
100 millions.
Billions.
Billions. Very good, and I'm going to stop right there. Okay, now, so if I were to put a 3 here, how would I say that?
3 tenths.
Very good. Okay, I say 3/10. Very good. And how do I write that?
Fraction.
As a fraction, 3/10. So these are the same thing. Okay, one is a fraction, one is a decimal. All right. What if I put a 3 here? What do I need to do, Jaylee? Nicholas?
0 on the tenths.
Yes, very good. Nicholas tagged it. You're going to put a 0 right here because something has to fill that spot. Okay? Now, how would I write this as a fraction?
3 over 100.
3 over 100. Why? Because this is where the number ends. And wherever the number ends, that's where you go to, okay? All right, now, what if I said 30 1,000ths? What do you think, Nicholas? Everybody's like, we're not going to answer that one. Never mind.
Is it
30 1,000ths.
Are you saying like where would you put it on that?
Yes.
You would put it on the 3 and the 4. The 3 would go on the 3 and 0 would go on the 4 spot.
Okay. So you're saying 30 right here. All right. So we're going to say tenths, hundredths, thousands, 10,000s. Okay. So tenths.
Oh no. You put it on
Hundredths.
the 4.
Okay. Thousandths is right here, right? Okay. And thousandths is as far as we're going, right? So I'm going to draw a line. Got it? Okay. So if I put 30, where would it go? I think you're right. You're saying
The 3 would go on the left side of the line. So
okay.
And then the 0 would go on the other.
Okay. That reads 3 over thousands. Yes, Isaac?
It would be 0.030.
Yes, very good. Okay? Wherever your number ends, like 30, if that's your number, and I said thousands, go in and draw a line after the thousands, and then put your number in there. Okay? Imagine if it said 31. I don't think you would have as much of a difficult time with it, would you? Okay, and if you need to make it 31 for your brain for just a minute, make it 31, and then go, oh, okay, that's what I would have done. Okay, so 30 would be the same. See what I'm saying? Okay? If that helps you, all right? Why is it important that I put a 0 there?
Because then you think that that the 3 is actually in the right spot.
Yes, we want the 3 in the right spot. Very good. Okay, now, let's write this as a fraction. Yes? 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 Let me see that again. Oh, try that again, that bottom part. I can't read it. I think you might actually have it right. Write it again. Yes? Yes? Yeah, I can't see. Yes. Yes. I can't see. What you should have is this is the tenths, hundredths. So we would put hundredths on the bottom. And then it says 23, so that's what we write, 23. You should have gotten 23 over 100. All right? 9 over 10. Write that as a decimal. Yes, Lena? Tell me. 0.9. Why? Because we're doing tenths. Very good. Tenths is that one, so 9 goes there. Very good. All right, now. How would I read this number? What I want you to do is when you're trying to decide how am I going to read this, everybody thinks they know? Okay, tell me, Esther.
23,000.
It's very good. You count wherever the number ends, you're going to go tenths, hundredths, thousandths, and then you're going to tell me what number it is, 23, and then where did it end? Thousandths. So I would write, if they told me to write what this says, I would say 23,000 with a THS. Do not forget that. If you forget the THS, 23,000 is that. 23 thousandths is this. You see the difference? Okay? So it's very important that you're telling me exactly what it is with that THS. Got it? All right. Who remembers what a decimal in math means? And. Very good. So, if I had help me out. You're going to read before the decimal, then you're going to read after the decimal. So somebody read before the decimal for me, just everybody. 20. And. Okay, so far we've got 20 and. Okay? How do I figure out what the answer is on this one? Claire?
20 and 400.
Hundredths. How did you get hundredths?
Because it's in a second spot.
Very good. I went, that's where it ended. Tenths, hundredths. So what number is after the decimal? 4. 4 what? Hundreds. So I would say 400 THS. Hundredths. Everybody understand? 20 and 4 hundredths. Write this as a decimal number. That right there. Write that as a decimal number. Yes?
Miss Potter.
Yes. Yes.
My mom's license plate is 2121, and 21 is my the date of my birth.
Is your what?
The date of my birth. 21.
Oh, that's cool. Okay. The way that this helps me to do this is to go 2100s, okay? That means that this number is going to end on hundreds. So what I do is go decimal, and then I go tenths, hundredths, and I draw a line. That's how I begin this problem right here, 2100s. And then I go, okay, 21, I'm going to put it in there. But what if it said thousandths? What if it said thousandths? I would go 21 thousandths, okay, the ending place is thousandths, so tenths, hundredths, thousandths. That's where it ends. Okay, now I have to decide where I'm going to put 21. If I put 21 here, what do I actually get? 210 thousandths, okay? Let's say I put my 21 here. Does that say 21 thousandths? Yes, very good. Does everybody see how we did that? And you can actually do trial and error. Put it in there. No, that says 210 thousandths. Okay, let's try something else. So what do I fill in this with? Zero. Very good. Okay. Great job. All right, write this down. 15 and 2/10. 15 and 2/10. Lena, come on, do it on the board. You're like, no! Come on, Lena. You got this. I believe in you with everything I've got. Number. Can you write it as a number? 15 and 2/10. You want to? Come on. 15 and 2/10. Is she right? Yes, she is. Good job. Okay, hopefully everybody got that. 15 and 2, and we're on the 10th spot, so 10ths. Very good. 15.2 is what you should have got. That's less than 35.